Morning. I'm just going to show you how to drive MG vehicle, MG4 electric car. This is a new model, which is a long range vehicle, and let's show you around the car how it looks like. So open the boot, press it, and then it goes up. That's how a boot space looks like. Right, just have to press this and it shuts. Now it looks like it's pretty good for a small family. You're driving a local. And then I'll show you how interior looks like. And then this is what features looks. So I'll show you how to use a cruise control when driving a car. Your cruise control button is here. So when driving along, just press the cruise button at a desired kilometer or a speed limit based on your city. Now it's changing the gears. So now it's got reverse, neutral and drive and a park. So when I select drive, just press the brake and then just rotate this to drive. Now if you want to reverse the car, same thing applies. Reverse back on the left, and if you want to park the car, just press P and just release the brake. That's it. Thank you so much for today. I'll come back to you with new features of the MG vehicle or different car. Thanks.